Hey Mustangs, good morning. Welcome to the last 2 weeks before fall break, which is so crazy to think about, but also really exciting. So a few things you need to know about today's assignment and tomorrow, so this is a two-parter, is right here in the new module, which is week number 8. It is listed under at school and under at home, because it's going to be, everyone's going to start day 1, no matter if you're here with me today at school or you're at home, and then we're going to do day 2 tomorrow, right? So it's for everybody. So it says right here under the at home, see the assignment above. So it's linked in the at school. You want to open that up. Basically, this is a really cool lab. Obviously, we don't have access to lionfish. I can't bring them into school. This is what we're looking at today, though. This is a lionfish. If you can see, if you've ever seen these like beautifully colorful fish with spines on them, that's a lionfish. They also hurt really bad if you've gotten stung by one before. So our essential question for today is, what is an invasive species and how do they affect ecosystems? So what you're doing is you're actually going to look at a case study. Lionfish are an invasive species. They have moved into a lot of our coastal ecosystems here in the United States, and we're going to see what effects they're having and then what scientists are doing, right, to curb this invasion. So you can see right here, day 1, which is today, no matter if you're at school or you're at home, everybody's doing the same thing. Your job is to complete pages 1, 2, and 3 of the lab. Tomorrow, which is for everyone, right, whether you're here or you're at home, is to complete page 4 and answer the discussion board prompt on Canvas, right? So it's a two-parter. So here's your task, what you need to do. You're going to read page 1 of the lab, which is in OneNote. I'll show you that here in a minute. And then you're going to highlight what method you predict will be the most effective. There are 5 methods that scientists are using. Pick one and highlight it. Number 2, you're going to watch these 3 videos that are linked right here in Canvas. They are all about how we're dealing with lionfish and what is happening. Then, number 3, you're going to create the graph for the lionfish population and what's happening to it since we started using these methods. Make sure you have all parts, and all parts are listed right here in the requirements section. And then you're going to, last thing for today, you're going to answer the analysis questions, and then tomorrow you'll pick up with number 4. You'll finish the lab summary or wherever you end today, and then you will complete the discussion board. The discussion board will not be posted to Canvas until tomorrow, right? So if you finish the whole lab, cool, just stop for today. The rubric tells you how I'm going to grade. So 10 points come from the graph, and you got to have these 5 parts. Each part's worth 2 points. 10 points come from answering each question. So if you don't answer a question or you miss it, it's minus 1 point. And then the discussion board for tomorrow is worth 5 points. Just like normal, the assignment's due on Friday. And then the cutoff is actually next Thursday, since next Friday is when the end of the quarter is. So everything from this week forward, the cutoff is next Thursday because the quarter ends. So the assignments right here in Canvas are in OneNote under Unit 1. It's the last thing there. It's the same directions that are in Canvas. The same videos are linked, and this is the lab, right? So for Monday, you need to get through the graph and these first set of 4 questions and the first page. For tomorrow, you're going to finish the last questions and the discussion board. So it's pretty clear. Read the directions. It'll tell you exactly what you're doing. Please read this first page. Otherwise, you will be totally lost. We will, if you've got questions, you're welcome to email me or remind me. I will get back to you as soon as I can, probably 3rd hour-ish. But it's really interesting. So I will hopefully talk to you soon. Bye.